Hey guys, what is going on? Today I wanted to give you my analysis on two crypto coins that I believe have the potential to make significant bullish runs. In fact, these crypto coins that I'll be sharing with you, as well as updates on what's happening with these two coins, they're actually running right now. Now, let's say if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate you hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to Invest with alliseeisW, where the goal is to build on this community and win together and be able to share knowledge within this community. Let's get started. Now, the first coin I wanted to talk about is XRP. Today, this coin has ran up by about 20% in its coin price here. As you can see, it's at 46 cents. Its 24-hour volume has jumped up by about more than 300%. What is driving the market cap up here to about 20% now, with the market cap going 23 billion for XRP, ranked number 6 on Coin Marketcap? Well, this is all driven by the recent news release. We know that there has been an SEC lawsuit in the prior years around XRP, and there's been just more information that will likely be coming on the outcome of this event here. It's great to see overall it jumping up by 20%, but I wanted to dive deep into the information that we have here on Seeking Alpha. Why did XRP rise today? It has to do with vote of confidence ahead of the court ruling on the SEC Ripple case. So we know at one point Ripple XRP jumped up by about 30%, and this was attributed to information on how Ripple may win the lawsuit against the SEC, where the SEC in 2020 sued the blockchain payments firm and two executives, alleging that the company raised over 1.3 billion through an unregistered digital asset securities offering. Now, in Ripple's defense, the attorney who's supporting Ripple cited a recent ruling by a bankruptcy judge clearing the sale of Voyager digital assets to Binance. The judge had slammed regulators for not agreeing on whether cryptos are commodities or securities. And this is what's stated here. Despite external pressure being applied by U.S. regulatory authorities, the XRP ledger aims to provide a digital payment infra not just for individuals, but also for existing financial entities such as central banks. Ripple should win the overreaching XRP SEC case, and the XRP ledger should be afforded the opportunity to compete fairly on digital payments infra globally, said the CEO, Ryan. This is huge here, and this is really what's going to add value to investors of Ripple. And with Bitcoin price going up close to about 28,000 per coin now, XRP, these type of hidden gem coins will start catapulting up, and with the Fed rate likely increasing and uncertainty around the financial industry with banks, people are beginning to flow their money into the digital cryptocurrency because we know it's not going away. I also wanted to share with you another article here with XRP surging to its highest since November as optimism surrounding Ripple case grows, here by Forbes article here. And we know that over the course of many months, even last year, cryptocurrency has been taking a beat down, right? I mean, it's been a bloodbath. However, in the year 2023, we're beginning to see the pendulum swing here, and XRP prices, it's beginning to climb up. And this is really attributed to just bullish information on Ripple's highly visible legal battle with the SEC. Now, the question is, who's going to win? There's a high probability that Ripple lawsuit may be won by Ripple here with the lawyers that's supporting it. This really comes down to the allegation of Ripple raising money in unregistered securities offering to investors. And if and when Ripple is able to demonstrate that they didn't do anything that's out of compliance, This is really going to add value to holders here and climb up to its prior resistance. If we go back to its range here, going back to about a year, this was at 84 cents right back in March of last year, 81 cents. Now, as we scale out even further, its highest point ran all the way up to like $3 back in 2018. In 2021, this was at like $1 and close to 60 cents. I definitely do see that XRP at one point will get back up to the whole dollar range. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And this is definitely a great buying opportunity with the understanding that the volume is picking up, market sentiment is changing. But here, on the alternative, I wanted to share with you another coin that I believe has the potential to make huge bullish gains as well, and that's Stellar Lumens. XLM is the coin abbreviation. So we've heard about XRP, and what's so unique about XRM is that this coin, I mean, there's this platform where you can convert currency to digital currency, and with XLM, they're actually working with MoneyGram. There's just been great history with Stellar Lumens. In fact, even on Coin Marketcap, Coinbase, Stellar Lumens is ranked in the top 10 with its coins, and we see cryptocurrency staying here, and the fact that the financial bank system is looking very scary at this time. People are beginning to see what are the good investments, with cryptocurrency. While most are investing in cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's a lot of investors looking for those hidden gems, and I believe XLM and XRP have this positive correlation when one goes up, as well as correlating with the overall Bitcoin price. As you can see here with the year to date, it's gone up by about 31%. It was hovering beginning of the year at 7 cents. If we scale out here, this at one point was like back in November, this was like hovering at like 30 cents, 40 cents. We scale back on a 5-year range. Back in 2021, this was at 67 cents. I definitely think this is a great buying opportunity here at the single cents range before it starts catapulting up here. You look at this from a long-term perspective, it's considered underperforming here, but as you get in the basement low, you have the potential for 5x, 10x. Now, just to share with you this article here in terms of the price prediction written here, and we know that XLM, it dropped during that collapse of, the Silicon Valley Bank. However, just based on information that's shared here, this is a decentralized currency exchange and very popular, one of the known platforms for facilitating faster and easier international financial transactions. Stellar users trade in Lumens, which is the platform's native cryptocurrency. Now, just with some positive information around Stellar Lumens is that it's listed on a number of crypto exchanges, including Binance, eToro, Huobi Global, CoinTiger, FTX, and OKEX. And a total of 100 billion XLMs were issued when the Stellar network was launched in 2015. This is huge. In an interview in March 2022, the Stellar CEO said that despite its ongoing military conflict with Russia, Ukraine is still working with Stellar on its central bank digital currency. It's working with top-line governments, and XLM even got listed on the leading cryptocurrency exchange on Robinhood, significantly spiking its price up. Now, 2016, Deloitte actually announced a partnership with Stellar, one of the leading accounting firms. In 2018, Fortune reported that New York financial regulators approved Stellar Lumens to trade on a bit exchange. 2021, IBM partnered with Stellar to facilitate cross-border payments by banks. Being the bridge currency for transactions, it has been successful in South Pacific region. And in the same year, MoneyGram actually partnered with Stellar. Its integration with Stellar facilitates the conversion of USDC stablecoin into hard liquidity cash. and the facility aims to encourage the liquidity of cryptocurrencies and the integration of traditional and cryptocurrency markets. So there you go. There's just a wide array of partnerships, and now Stellar Lumens plans on actually working with United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia. It's definitely a huge market in the Middle East and South Asian regions where these countries are seeing the value with coins like Stellar Lumens. Now, if I were to assess, which is going to be the better buy between XLM and XLP, according to this article here, it's forecasting that come 2025, the price will be at around the 51 cents to 42 cents at a minimum. So that's just a forecast, and if there's people forecasting this, I definitely think that it can be a big deviation from this, but it's ultimately looking very positive. The fact that there's appreciation with the actual equity that's priced here. If I were to compare between XRP and XLM, while XLM is at 9 cents and XRP at 46 cents, I think that both are great buying opportunities. Really, you may get more rewards with investing in XLM, seeing a huge increase with the amount of percentage gains here. However, both are very solid coins, ranked very high with huge market sentiment at this time. So overall, I think both have a degree of risk, and please make sure when you do make investments, do your research and take my information as guidance. But overall, two solid cryptocurrency coins that cannot do you wrong, especially with the price point that you're purchasing at this time. So there you have it. Here's my analysis, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave your comments and questions down below. Thank you all.